Hello guys. So ultimately we are back in YouTube after a month. It's all because our exams were going on. On this special occasion, today the 75th Independence Day of India, at first we will start the video with our national anthem and then we will give you some great unknown facts about the Indian independence. So without wasting time, let's move on to our main video titled Top 10 Unknown Facts about the Independence of India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Fact number 10. Guys, do you know that officially our independence year was 1947, but logically we got actual freedom in the year of 1950. In this year, firstly, our president was elected. Secondly, our national anthem and national song was chosen. Also, our constitution was assembled in this year. So, technically and logically, 1950 was the year in which we got full independence.
Fact number 9. Guys, do you know that apart from India, 5 other countries celebrate Independence Day on 15th August? These include North Korea, South Korea, Republic of Congo, Bahrain and Liechtenstein.
Fact number 8. Guys, we know that it's hardly possible to believe that Mahatma Gandhi did not attend the first Independence Day celebrations. Actually, Gandhiji was fasting in the protest against the Hindu-Muslim riots that were taking place in Bengal.
Fact number 7. Did you understand why Lord Mountbatten chose 15th August as India's Independence Day? Actually, he was forced to attend both the Independence Day of Pakistan and India. So, the Lord chose 14th August as Pakistan's Independence Day and 15th as the Indian ones. Because 15th August honored the second anniversary of Japan's surrender to the Allied forces.
Fact number 6. It was not Nehru but Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel won the Prime Minister elections fair and square. But since Nehru didn't want to place second in command to anyone and also that Gandhi had a soft spot for Nehru, Sardar Patel was pulled down.
Fact number 5. Guys, do you know that the Indian National Congress Party was formed in 1885 as an organization mainly to unite the people fighting for a common cause, that is, against the British rule. As we gained independence, Mahatma Gandhi or Gandhiji wanted it to be disbanded as the objective to attain freedom had been achieved.
Fact number 4. Now we will make you aware about the Indian flag's evolution. In 1906, the Indian flag was something like this. In 1907, the Indian flag was something like this. In 1917, the Indian flag was something like this. In 1921, the Indian flag was something like this. In 1931, the Indian flag was something like this. And finally, our Tiranga was designed in 1947, which is this.
Fact number 3. Guys, do you know that the Ratcliffe line was the boundary demarcation line between the Indian and Pakistani portions of the Punjab and Bengal provinces of British India? But it was published publicly on 17th August, whereas India got independence on 15th August and Pakistan got it on the 14th.
Fact number 2. The first variant of the national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya in 1921. It consisted of two colors, red and green, which represented the two significant communities. But Gandhiji later recommended to add a white strip in the middle with a spinning wheel. The white color represented the remaining Indian communities and the spinning wheel signified the progress of the country.
Fact number 1. Do you know that India had a share of about 25% of total world's GDP in the 1600s, whereas Britain just had less than 2% of the total world's GDP. But in 1947, Britain emerged as a greatly developed economy where India's share was just about 4% of the total world GDP. So just think how much the British looted India. But if you see the recent statistics, then India holds a greater share of GDP than England, and it thus shows how India had developed after independence. So this is the end of our video. If you learned anything new, then like the video, share with your friends this knowledge, and also subscribe our channel to get the notifications of this type of videos on your mobile at the time of our uploading. Bye.